Bloke walked into our chip shop the other day with a whole salmon under his arm. He says, "Have you got any fish cakes?" The man said no. He says, "Oh, it's a pity. It's his birthday today." Now check out this tasty bike. Aprilia RSV Tuono factory, stock number 56657. Now this bike was registered to its one and only keeper on the 11th of October 2005 and so is on a 55 plate. Now this guy's managed to cover 7,662 miles, and what fun-filled miles these must have been. We've got all the gear with this bike: the V5 registration document, spare key, owner's manual, service history warranty booklet, and of course the spare key fob for the Data Tool System 3 alarm immobiliser that's fitted. The current MOT expires on the 21st of October 2009 and the bike's taxed until the end of March 2010. So there you go. So let's have a butcher's hoot round this beautiful bike. Well, there she is, folks. Resplendent in carbon fibre. This bike is just dripping in carbon fibre, and this is all standard. So your front mudguard, well, all the bodywork with the exception of the tank is carbon fibre. You've got the Oz wheels there. They weigh about as much as a packet of 20 Benson and Edges. Super lightweight wheels. Brembo calipers. You got the Öhlins upside down forks, Öhlins rear suspension, Öhlins steering damper. This bike's just got everything. It's got the best of everything. If you were going to build a special, this is what it would turn out like. What you're looking at here basically is an RSV 1000 factory without a fairing. So you've got the Renthal bars, nice high handlebars, minimal protection of a little fly screen, but the rest of it is pedigree sports animal. Fantastic specification. Stunning condition bike. Absolutely beautiful. So let's have a listen at that engine, yeah? Well, there you go, folks. That's the view inside the cockpit of this Tuono factory, down behind this tinted zero gravity screen. So let's see about this engine. Oh my God, what explosive power, so fast revving. That's a 60-degree V-twin 997cc, 4-stroke, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected 6-speed gearbox producing 137 brake horse at 9,500 RPM and a massive 107 Newton meters of torque at 8,500 RPM. This bike is the one, baby. This has got to be the most fun you can have with your clothes on. No? You don't believe me? Well, here it is. It's available for you to test ride. So come on down to Dee Kay Motorcycles. We'll show you. Fantastic. Now let's get this bike to Dee. She can clean it.